How to change password on laptop. First of all, go to Settings. Click on the start icon that you can see on the screen. Hover over the gear icon. Click on the option Settings. Once you do that, Settings will be opened. Click on the option Accounts. Click on the option Sign in options that you can see at left. Now you'll be able to see various sign-in options over here. Click on the option for password. If you want to change your password, click on the option Change. Enter your current password over here. Click on the option Next. Now enter the new password. Confirm the password. Enter the password hint over here. Click on the option Next that you can see on the screen. Click on the option Finish. Now your password has been changed. Like this, you can change password on laptop. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.